How to use coverage in front-end development. Access in a web page and press F12 for window, then Ctrl plus Shift plus P. Then type coverage. Click Show Coverage. Then Start Instrument. You will see the capacity from JS files of this site. Example like the bundle file is 3.7 megabytes with more than 50% no using of it. So, you can optimize your code for the best performance. Thank you for watching until the end of the video. If you found today's guide helpful, don't forget to hit like to support the channel, and subscribe so you don't miss out on our latest and most exciting videos. If you have any questions related to today's content, feel free to leave a comment below, or send us an email at contact.dailyhowto@gmail.com. Thank you so much, and we'll see you in the next video.